Dear ACCA members in Hungary, dear my friends. My name is Katalin Szilagyi and I'm an ACCA member since 2001. In June 2021, I've been elected as a member of the ACCA International Assembly to represent the Hungarian members community. As you may know, ACCA's International Assembly is a unique platform that facilitates the communication between ACCA Council and its members. It is designed to share information, ideas and experience from region to region and to secure a smooth flow of feedback from ACCA members. My role as a member of the International Assembly is to represent you and all Hungarian ACCA members at the annual International Assembly's meeting. The upcoming meeting will take place online on the 29th and 30th of September. I genuinely care about your opinions and ideas on ACCA services and products ACCA offers to its members, so I would be pleased to hear your feedback or any suggestions or any ideas you might have on the following areas. Like what sorts of services should ACCA be providing to members in Hungary? How shall we enhance ACCA brand and profile on the Hungarian market? What are the issues which are of general interest to members worldwide, such as ways to raise the ACCA profile in international organizations? How shall we share information, ideas and experience in order to enable comment on policy papers by a large number of ACCA members? Please provide me with your ideas by the 15th of September, either by email or feel free to call me. At the end, it is you, the ACCA member, shaping the future of ACCA, so it is absolutely crucial to hear your voice. I believe this is a good opportunity. Thank you very much for your cooperation.